Hey there. In this video, I will be giving you a brief about learning management system and how to add the courses in the LMS website, lessons, topics, quizzes, and assignments. So I'll be showing you one by one. So let's proceed with the courses first. So in order to add a new course, you'll need to go to the LMS option and then click on courses option over here. So once you click on that, you'll need to go to the add a new course option. So once you click on add new course option over there, you'll be seeing a dashboard like this. Here you'll need to enter the course details. So here in case of add course title, you'll need to enter the title of the course. Like here I'm adding a sample course. So I'll just put it as sample course. Here in the bottom you can add the course description, like you can add a heading or any paragraph or image or whatever you want. So here multiple blocks are available. You can add anything over there. So I'll just add a simple heading like course description. Again, you can add a paragraph for the description, like what you'll be learning in the course or something like that. So here I'll add something sample course description. In this course, you'll learn something new. So this is the course description. So once you add the course title and description, you will need to go and adding the lessons, topics, and quizzes inside the course. So before doing so, let's publish this course. Alright, so once you click on publish, your course will go live on the website. Now let's go on the builder option over there and then add the course content. Here there are multiple options that you can add the course content. First, if you want to divide your course data in the sections or parts, you can add the new sections over there. Like I'll add a one section. Here you'll need to add the section topic or section title. Here I'll just type it as section title. So you can add multiple sections in the course. In one section, again you can add the lessons. As you can see, here once you click on new lesson, then here you need to add the lesson title again. So I'll add it as lesson 1. Again, inside the lesson, you can even add the topics and quizzes. So if you have a chain or layer of the course content, like for example, if you have two parts in your course, you can add as section A and section B. Again, in one lesson, if you have multiple titles, you can add one lesson. Again, in that you can add the topics just by going to the topic. This option is completely optional. You can add it only when you have the multiple titles inside one lesson, or else you can just leave it. So this is the quiz option. So in order to it is just like exercise after each lesson, or you can even add the assignments in the lessons. So let me add one quiz and show it to you. Sample quiz. 1. So you can add quizzes in all the lessons individually. So you can even add multiple sections. I'll add one more section over here, section 2. In that section 2, again you can add multiple lessons. So here I'll add lesson 2. You can add as many lessons as you want in all the sections. So once I'm done adding the course sections, lessons and quizzes, you'll just need to update the course. Now let's go and see the course in front end. So as you can see, this is how our course looks like on the front end. I have added one course, that is sample course, and here you are seeing the course content. I have added one section, two sections over here, and in one section I have added one lesson. Again, there is a second lesson in the second section, and inside lesson I have added one quiz, that is sample quiz. So now let's go and add the content inside the lessons and quizzes. So once you click on this lesson, you'll be seeing an empty lesson over there. That is, there's no content inside the lesson. So as you can see, only one quiz is there and there's no content inside the lesson. So in order to add the content, you'll need to go and edit this lesson. In case if you add the topics inside the lesson, you'll need to follow the same steps for the topics as well. So once you click on edit lesson option there, you'll be seeing something like this. Here you can add the lesson content. So in case if course content is available with you in multiple formats like PDF, PPT and YouTube video URLs, you can add them here. Like if you have only one YouTube URL, you can just click on this option and then just add the YouTube directly. Here there's an option. You can just paste YouTube URL directly in case if you only have the video as the course content. Or else, if you have multiple course data contents like PDF, PPT, and videos, you'll need to add the tabs here. So once you add the tab, you'll need to provide what all data is available with you. Like if PPT is available, again if PDF is available, and also if assignment is available. Video is available. So here you can even style this tabs data over here, like if you want to change the background of this tab or something like that here. So like this we can change it. Again, in case of active navigation also we can change it. Here you can reduce the spaces between tabs like this. And now once you've done that, you'll need to go on adding the content inside these tabs. Once if you have any video, then just click on the video tab over here and then click on this add block. That is, you'll need to add the YouTube URL. So now let's add a sample YouTube URL. Just copy this YouTube video URL and paste it over here. Then click on embed. So once you click on embed, your YouTube URL video will appear over here. In the similar way, you can add the PDF from the media file. You can even just attach the file over here by using the media option here. So there's an option called as media and text. So you need to add this and select your PDF file from the media library, or you can just upload it. Another thing is PPT. So you can just add the PPT in your Google account and publish it, and then you can just add its iframe or HTML over here by using an HTML block like this. Here you can just paste the iframe or HTML from the PPT of your Google account. Once you publish, you will be getting an iframe. So you'll just need to paste it over here. So once you have added all this data, you'll just need to click on update. Now, so this is how you can add the lesson. In the similar way, if you have added the topics inside one lesson, you can even update them in the same way. Now let's go and edit the quizzes and add the questions inside the quiz. So let's go and check this quiz, how it actually looking in the front end. So as you can see, this is an empty quiz because we have not added any of the content inside the quiz. Now you'll just need to go and edit this quiz and add the questions inside the quiz. So once you click on edit quiz, you'll be seeing something like this. In order to add the questions inside the quiz, you'll need to go to the builder option, then add a new question. Here you'll need to enter the title of the question. I'll just enter question 1. Again, so once you add a question, you'll need to select what type of question it is, whether it's a multiple choice question or a single choice question like this here, or whether it is a paragraph essay type of answer or something. So your multiple options are there. You can select any of the options as per your requirement. I'll select a single choice question and I'll give multiple options. Here you can even select the number of points awarded for this particular question. So I'm giving 1 point right now. Here you'll need to type the exact question, that what is the question over here. Like I'll type a sample question. You can type your question over here. And once you type, you'll just need to click on save. Here you'll need to provide the answers. Like option 1. Again, you can add multiple options over here. Option 2. Option 3. Again, option 4. So here I have given more 4 options and you can select any of the or whether which option is correct. Like this. So once done, so this is how we can add the question and the type of question we can select it over here, like, and also we can add the options inside that. So once you're done, you'll just need to click on update. So once updating, you can just go and view the question quiz again. So now, as you can see, our quiz content is actually appearing over here. Now we can just start the quiz and answer the questions over here. Like as you can see, I have typed the question over here. Like this is the sample question. You can select the options and submit the quiz. So like once we submit, we'll be seeing like results and restart quiz option over here. We can disable this from going to the settings option here, and then we can just disable the restart quiz button so that this restart quiz button will not appear over here. And we can also disable the results display at the end of the course quiz here. Like we can just disable this so the results will not be displayed. We just need to click on update once you have made any of the changes. So this is how we can add the course, lessons, quizzes, topics inside the course and inside the learning management system. And in order to add the assignments inside a lesson, you need to edit that particular lesson. Once you click on edit, you'll need to go to the settings, and here you can enable the assignments inside a particular lesson. And also select the type of files a student can submit in the assignment form. Here you need to provide the size of the file size that a student can upload. Also, here you can select the points that you're going to provide for the assignment, or else you can just keep it like this. And here there are two options that are auto approve and manually grade. If you select manually grade option, the student will not be able to move to the next lesson or topic unless and until you approve your assignment. So if you give auto approve, it will be automatically approved. So this is how you can enable or disable the assignments from the lessons. I hope the things are clear. If something is not clear, please get back to us. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.